Hello everyone, it's Liz Holloway at stampersplus.com and welcome to my tutorial. Here is a card that I'm going to share with you today. It's a Snowflake flip card and it's using the background technique called Bokeh. As you can see, I've also Bokeh the snowflake here, and I also Bokeh the panel over here. And I'm going to show you how this is done. But essentially, this card is using all the elements in the holiday catalog. So let's get started. What you're going to need is a card stock that's already pre-cut with the snowflake die. Okay, the two snowflakes, the large snowflakes in the silver foil, the word "burr" in the silver foil. And then what you're going to do is you're also going to cut a snowflake, which is whisper white, and the video below will show you how this piece is cut. But at the same time, I had gone and prepared the snowflakes with a pool party. I kind of sponged the whole snowflakes here. Okay, and then you need a 2 by 5 and 1/8 silver foil and 1 7/8 by 5 all is calm designer paper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually move everything aside and actually take these two pieces that I need to work with. The Bokeh is that you're going to need a white craft pad, and then what you're also going to need to do is prepare a window sheet, which you can't see on the tape, but if you take a window sheet and apply using the circle Fremlet die and apply several different sizes of circles, okay? And then what I did was I took my washi tape and attach a tape on both ends so that it doesn't move. So what you're going to end up doing is taking this piece, and because this piece is so small, all you want to do is use the two smaller circles, which are these two. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with the smaller circle using my sponge dauber and just taking a little bit, and all I'm doing is just smudging enough white onto my snowflake. Don't worry if it's getting outside, it's not going to hurt the image. And without even re-inking again, all I'm doing is taking this one piece and just adding that. And then I'm going to take my dauber and daub each piece, and then just overlapping them. And as your ink fades, it gets lighter. So I'm going to let that sit aside to dry, and then here I am, I'm going to clean up my work surface again. Okay, so the next thing is that I got this all is calm. It's already opaque on the designer paper, and so now I'm going to take my larger circle, ensuring that I'm holding it down and without inking, because I'm sure that I got enough ink on this dauber, is lightly coat the designer paper to make it nice and opaque, and then I'm not even worried about moving the the window sheet. And this time I'm going to ink it a little bit more, just to give it more of an ink. And the smaller one. I'm adding little daubers here and there to give that effective look. Okay. Now, if you want to let it dry, just take your heat gun and work surface is clean again. And then you can let this window sheet dry for reuse some other time. Okay, so then with these two little snowflakes, take your multi-purpose glue and just add glue right in the center. And then your second piece of snowflake is going to be added right on top, adjacent, or offset it just a bit, and ensuring that the center is on center. Hold that into place until the glue sets. Okay, and then taking a rhinestone, I already had colored the rhinestone with our blendabilities. This is the Costa Cabana color, and I'm picking this up with my paper piercer and attaching it right on center of the snowflakes. Okay, and then taking my card, this is the base card now, I'm going to unfold and just applying glue around the whole image and applying it right on top of this pre-cut. And then if you notice that your snowflake needs to adjust, go ahead and adjust it. Okay. And then this piece gets attached to the silver foil. Leaving 1/8 of an inch surrounding, and then attach the panel piece onto the base card. Okay, and then take your words burr, taking your snowflakes. This is all is calm snowflake, and what I've done was I've taken taking my wire cutter and see this hole right here, which is attached to the charm, and I'm just removing that loop, and then taking a glue dot, putting 2 glue dots on, adding a snowflake right here, and then again coloring the rhinestone, the largest one, with Costa Cabana blue. Using the paper piercer to pick it up and adding it right onto the snowflake, like so. Okay. And then once that's done, take your snowflake sequence and just use your glue dots and so there you have it, a beautiful flip card. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.